Welcome back to episode 2 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we find a hidden campsite outside Tonopah, Nevada, and find some epic snow in Deer Valley, Utah.
So we made it down off the mountain into town, and everyone around here keeps looking at us kind of funny, and we're wondering why. Maybe this has something to do with it. These are giant icicles.
What are you doing up there? I'm Courtney, and that's my husband, Ryan. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can skiing, mountain biking, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes. We got in late last night. We just came outside, and our campsite just outside Tonopah is so pretty. It's magical.
Found this old abandoned stone building.
We're still in the snow, but it feels so good to be in the sun.
Definitely sunglasses required. It's bright.
Very bright. You gonna ride it?
Just like
We have our tennis shots.
remnants of icicles that have fallen. Do not want this big chunk of ice falling on us while driving. That would be terrifying. Oh my god, this one's heavy. It's so heavy. We're at a nice little hardware store here in Ely, Nevada, doing some parking lot repairs. Everyone here has been super friendly, so I recommend this if you need a spot to stop along the way. The valve to our gray water tank is frozen, as expected. And here's what we've come up with to defrost it, because we don't think we're going to get to above freezing temps anytime soon here. We've got the exhaust from our diesel heater, and I adapted it to flexible electrical conduit and just routed it down to our gray water valve down here, and this should defrost this in short order. So that's nice and warm coming out of there, but it's not so hot it's going to even burn my hand. So I'm not really worried about it melting the plastic, but definitely going to do a good job of defrosting that.
The moral of the story on this one is that not all internet is created equal. I started at a coffee shop, it was too slow to upload a video. Then I went to Love's and paid for internet, and it was still way too slow to upload a video. But now we found a La Quinta who's letting us use their internet, and I think we're gonna be in luck. So fingers crossed that we can get this video uploaded, because it's episode 1 of our travel series about Mammoth.
Bonus, there's a grocery store that in the same parking lot, and I can go get some errands done.
We've made it to our spot for the night. More snow. Not deep snow though. It's cold. I think the low tonight's gonna be 5 degrees. I got the heater fired up in the camper. We are at the Ely Ward Mountain Recreation Area, and we are going to attempt some snow biking.
I've never ridden a bike in the snow. We'll see how this goes.
I have an e-bike. I think we're gonna take turns on my bike because the snow is a little soft and a little deep.
Okay, so this is Courtney's first ride in the snow on her e-bike. She's a powder crusher. Oh yeah, it's totally possible.
He's gone. In case you guys haven't noticed, Riley can have fun doing pretty much anything. So we're just walking around in the snow. He's riding my bike, giggling. I think you're out of shape.
I'm out of something, man. This elevation in the snow is something else.
Thoroughly exhausted from biking in the snow, it was time to leave the winter beauty of Nevada behind and push eastward into Utah. We made it to Utah.
What are you saying?
Well, we missed the sign.
But welcome to Utah.
We are taking a slight detour to go find some hot springs we were told about.
Ready to get naked?
No. You brought a swimsuit, right? No. Okay. No one will be getting naked. No one will be getting naked.
I forgot my mittens, but I did bring a swimsuit.
We made it to the hot springs. Riley's gonna go investigate to see how many naked.
Courtney's not brave enough.
He's gonna see how many naked people are over there. We found the hot spring.
We finally have the place to ourselves.
The naked people left, so we were able to show you.
Pretty cool spot.
There's a hot water inlet and a cold water inlet. When you want hot water, when you want cold water, you take that towel out. And when you want hot water, it's very hot, like it will burn you.
I can't even put my hand in it. No. It's super hot.
It's steaming, but everyone left. Probably because the sun's going down and they're hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
But pretty cool spot. We're not going to tell you where it is. Sorry, gotta find it on your own. It is very cold.
I'm freezing.
We're gonna go take a shower.
Stop eating.
What did I just do?
Courtney recommended a little salt on my oatmeal, and I think she went a little overkill.
It's everywhere.
You got salt everywhere.
You twist it to grind it, and so I was twisting it, and the cap came off, and there's salt everywhere. Isn't it bad luck to spill salt?
I make my own luck. We made it to Deer Valley. Woo! This place is unreal. After a little lunch break, I'm back out on the lift to get a few more runs in. Courtney's got too much work to do, but I'm not working today. Skiing's too good. Woo! You all right, man? All right, got it.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No problem. Ooh, slushy. Slushy, slushy. Woo! Woo! There's some absolutely killer views here. All right, I just watched a ski school gang all drop into this thing called Bucky's something rather, and when there's a ski school going in something like this, you know it's pretty cool, so I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, it's got little kid jumps. I don't fit on little kid jumps. We've been on the road a little over a week, and something that became apparent is that just having USB outlets on my side of the bed was not enough. I brought this on the road with us because I knew we were going to need it somewhere, so I'm going to add some USB outlets on Courtney's side of the bed too, so that she can charge her phone there. All right, got it wired up, lights on.
Day 3 at Deer Valley and it's snowing.
Very different conditions today.
I can't see anything. The snowflakes are very large and they keep going up my nose.
Deer Valley, day 4. Got a lot of fresh snow yesterday and last night, and snow's awesome today.
It's our last day, so we're gonna make the most of it.
Heading out today, and we are Steamboat Springs bound.
We're only 2 weeks into the trip of a lifetime, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along.
I'm eating some chili left over from last night. Courtney's working on, I don't know. Courtney's working on work.
Someone's gotta work around here.